Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Wednesday 12th March 2025. 11th March 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 20, number 33 and number 43. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number, first number 4, number 18, number 21, number 35, number 40, booster number 13. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number 2, number 19, number 25, number 32, number 43, booster number 7. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.